Let's practice some coloring moves today. This is a triangle. This coloring move is called side to side, and I'm pressing really strongly. Side to side. We can do it further apart or a little closer together. Just like this. We can do it very lightly. Left to right. Side to side. We can go from left to right or from right to left. Side to side. Let's color in our triangle. We will start from the top and move to the bottom. Side to side. Side to side. Moving the crayon side to side. Next up, let's draw a square. Our next coloring move is crisscross. First, I color one way. You can go side to side or up and down. Now, you can turn your paper a little bit, or you can just turn your hand and color the other way. Up and down, side to side. Look, the lines cross. They make little X shapes. Criss-cross. Crisscross. Crisscross helps us fill the shape. If we keep the lines close together, there's no white spaces and it remains nice and even. The color will be smooth. First one way, then the other way. Crisscross. Up and down, up and down. Nice and even. Now, let's draw a circle. And our next coloring move is circle swirlies. Circle swirlies. Watch my hand. I make little circles. Round and round, round and round. Circle swirlies. My circles are small. Small circles help fill the shape. Circle swirlies that are close together make for a smooth color. No lines, nice and even. Keep going until the shape is full. Perfect. All done.